Welcome everyone, I'm with Bogar Tech Designs, and today I'm going to teach you how to install a leopard decal on the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Once it arrives, it'll arrive rolled up in a cardboard tube. If there's any wrinkles or it's curled too much, you could always flip it over and roll it onto itself. When installing a leopard decal, it's always important to prep the window. To prep the window, we use water and alcohol and a towel to dry the window afterwards. So let's continue. Once the window is properly prepped and it's free from any contaminants, you're ready to start installing the decal. We purposely left some space for you to make sure the decal fits on your window. It's okay if it's a little bit too small, but it's all with purpose in order for you to fit the decal onto the window. First, what you're gonna need to do is get it aligned to your preference. Once you got it down, you're gonna grab a piece of tape and tape it down the middle. This will prevent you from moving the decal accidentally or it shifting everywhere. Once you got your decal in the desired position, you're just going to remove the transfer tape from the backing and leave enough space for you to cut the backing paper. Once the backing paper is cut, just place down the decal and with your squeegee, remove any excess air and make sure you squeegee everything completely to remove any air from any spots. Now that we have an anchor in this corner, we're going to remove the rest of the backing from the decal. Once you have the backing removed, squeegee out the rest of the decal. Make sure there are no air pockets inside any spots. Apply as much pressure as you can to remove the spots. Make sure you apply enough pressure to remove any air pockets that might be in the spots. Once the decal is squeegeed, it's time to remove the transfer tape. If you live in a colder climate, it'll be best if you use heat from a heat gun or from a hair dryer in order to keep the decal from peeling. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.